Hello guys, today we are working on a GE monogram and we are replacing the door flapping on the dispenser. The reason why we're doing this repair right here is because it's creating a lot of ice on the dispenser, making the ice bucket to get stuck with ice, and we're going to show you in a second. But first of all, we're going to get to the flapper and we're going to be starting removing the bottom screws, because what we're going to be doing at this repair, we're going to be removing pretty much the stainless steel cover in order for us to get access to the dispenser section. There's a couple screws, and in the side of the door you're gonna have to open the door to pretty much get to the screws, because remember, right now we are replacing the flapper and we need to remove this stainless steel. Once you remove those screws, there's a couple screws on the top area as well, and then pretty much we are right here where we're gonna be removing pretty much the frame. This frame pretty much have one screw in the bottom. Your flat screwdriver, you can just pop it. We disconnect the dispenser screen, which is this one right here. And now we have 4 screws in the corners that pretty much is gonna hold the cover where the dispenser is. At this point now we can see that we are finding the real problem, and the real problem is gonna be the solenoid. This solenoid right here got so rusted, and that's why pretty much it's now making the door to close all the way. So what we're gonna be replacing is this guy for the door to be closing and not creating all the ice around it. Right now we already cleaned it, but it was like a lot of ice in there, and this ice also create ice on the ice bucket, making to lock the ice to the cup. So right now pretty much this is the solenoid, the new part we're gonna be installing. Once we install this part, pretty much we put everything back together the way we took it apart. Putting back the 4 screws, connecting back the touch panel, which pretty much is really easy. There's no way you guys can get lost. Once you put that on, you put the top section first and you slide it in there, and then we're gonna put the frame. Once we connect the frame, we're gonna bring pretty much our stainless steel section, and we're gonna be connecting all the screws back together. This repair is really easy, guys, but if you have somebody can help you removing the stainless steel cover, you can. That way it's gonna be easy for you guys to connect that back. If you guys have any problems or any question, you can definitely leave your comment below in the comments. I can try to respond you back. But just like that, this repair is all done. There's no more icing up, building up on the dispenser. And by replacing that door flapper and the solenoid, this repair is now complete. If it's anything we can help you, let us know. But if we are on your area, you can always give us a call. We are at 832-514-5190 or 832-514-1594. Thank you for watching these videos, guys. I hope it's really helpful for you guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you like this video. That way we can be creating more.